In this video, we are going to learn how to identify the duplicates in two lists in a very fast way. Now, first of all, you have to understand that those two lists for this method to work should be in the same worksheet. So say if the data, the other list is on some other sheet, you will have to bring it in the same sheet as the first list. Now, what I have done is I have taken a case of two people, person A and person B, having ownership of certain stocks. So some of the companies between the two people are common, and we need to identify which are those ones. So what we need to do is we need to first, if we put it side by side, it would be best. So if we select the data, after selecting the data, we need to go to the home tab. In the home tab, we need to go to styles, and in styles we have conditional formatting. In conditional formatting, you can directly take highlight cell rules, and in that you go to duplicate values. The moment you click it, it will give a default thing which will start showing also. If you are okay with this, you can simply click OK, or what you can do is you can select a different format like this one, yellow fill with dark yellow text. Or if you have a certain format in your mind, you can go to custom format. There, say we are selecting the fill as green, and rest font is supposed to be the same as it is. Say we click OK, and we click OK again. So now you can see between the two lists, these are the four stocks which were common. SBI at fourth position in the first list, and the 14th position in the last list. Now this thing will be, in this particular case, there were only four common data points. There were 14 in total data points. So it was easy to do it manually also. But say if the same list would be running in hundreds and hundreds of data points, then it will not be easy to do the thing manually. So it will be better to use conditional formatting feature to do this. Only drawback is you will have to bring the data to the same worksheet. Say the other one is in some other place, you will have to bring it at this point and then do conditional formatting. I hope this tip was clear to you. Thank you.